Welcome back. It's late at night here, but I got the car done. As you know, last night I got the left side on, driver's side, a filler. Now I got the other filler on, the correct one this time. You can see how nice it lines up. The body lines are really good. Look at that. So in the body shop, fixes this, you're going to blend it all the way right in. And the car's got a flat tire, so just a bit listing a little bit, but that's all right. But the fillers are on, brand new, correct one for this car, and the bumper and tail lamps are back on. This is the one I got from Niagara Falls, you might remember. Nice chrome, actually beautiful chrome, all the way across, and there she is. So it's finally ready for the body shop. I'm just so tickled to have this done. It's been like pulling teeth to get out here with family and my regular job, but I'm glad it's done now, and take her to the body shop before the weekend and he can do his magic and make her look new again. And then when I get her back from him, I'll fine-tune things and detail it, and I'll make sure to show you the final product. But I'm always happy to show you the stages. I don't like seeing something before and after. I want to know the process. At least that's how I like looking at things. So all my videos are labeled, you know, video 1, 2, 3, and so on. This might have, I'm not sure how many more videos, but I want to show you every stage so you know how well it's coming. I still have to detail the engine compartment and things like that, but it is done extension-wise. Rear filler extensions are on. Bumper's back on, the one I got from Niagara Falls. All those good things are here. And I always try and work clean. My uncle taught me that. He got me into Cadillacs, and he said, have your tools laid out, have everything organized, you know where everything is, don't work in a mess. You can have a better job when you're done. Great advice. Take it if you want to. I think it helps me a lot. Working clean and being organized makes the job go much smoother. So I suggest you guys have 2 floor jacks, one here and one there, and wheel her back when you undo the bolts, and unhook the fiber optic cables here, and of course the brake and tail lamps, and then pull it off completely. Put the fillers on, and the installation is reverse of removal, and she's back together again. And I'm happy it's on, and I'm really tickled it's gone, and I'm going home to have a hot shower and clock up the shop for another night. But thank you all for watching. It's been a great process up to this point, and it's only going to get better. Speaking of getting better, look at that beautiful roof. I tell you, I don't know anybody that can do a good job as that. It's totally factory. Look at the stitching. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Either way, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you down the road.